Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about making a powerful, punchy and attractive YouTube thumbnail. We all know the importance of thumbnails on YouTube. If you're looking for something, you always get attractive to the thumbnail which has a lot of information related to your search. This video is for those who are on budget and don't want to spend too much on subscriptions for their services. The easiest way to do it is to do it on your computer, and I'll show you today on that, so stay tuned. In order to do that, first we need to find out the guidelines of Google and YouTube for video thumbnails. Let's go to Google and find that out. Google and YouTube recommends 1280 by 720 with a minimum pixel depth of 640. The pixel depth doesn't count. I'll explain you later on, because I have done many thumbnails without having to have these 640 pixels. Some of them were only 300 pixels and it worked very well. So now that we know the size of the pixel, we need a canvas. In order to do that, we can create a canvas if you're on Mac or if you're on PC. As long as you have a word processor, you can do so. In order to do that, we will open a Pages, because I'm on Mac at the moment, a blank document. Select a page type, that would be A3, so we need a biggest ever page available. Export it as PDF. Best quality, next, name it ABC, export, shut it down. Go back to our PDF, export this canvas to JPEG, best quality, save, close that. Now we have a JPEG image of a widest canvas available. Now the next thing to do is to open that wide canvas of A3 and resize it. Go to Tools and adjust size. Now here you have to adjust the width and the height by pixel. It's already selected. And uncheck the scale proportion. The recommended resolution is 1280 by 720. It will recalculate it for you. It has to be less than 2 MB, and yeah, that's it. 16 KB. It's more than enough. Now select it, save. Don't worry about the size. You close it, and if you reopen it, it will open in the right size. There we go. Now we have a canvas which has the required pixel size for YouTube thumbnails. Now here you can do so many things. You go to the edit menu of this photo, you have these tools. I understand these are not very powerful tools, but you have to use your imagination to come up with something. Don't forget that you don't want to spend on subscriptions, so you have to use your creativity. For instance, I've been doing so many things. You can play around with the shapes. Let's have a look. Let's quickly make something, and I'll give you an idea to how to build something very quickly with it. Okay, this is not the best design. It's not even a design, but you can do, there is so much. If you just want to leave your thumbnail to text, so this is a very good option. I mean, you can do so. All you have to do is to the Command S, and then close it. And when you open it, it will all set to embed in your YouTube thumbnail. Thank you very much, and if you liked the video, please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you very much.